Today I am going to discuss about how to find equation of line when it passes through two points. Clear? So there are two cases, one is the vector form, another one is the Cartesian form. You just follow this here. We will discuss first the vector form. The vector equation of line passing through two given points. Which position vectors are given? Which position vectors are given? One is A vector, another one is B vector. Particularly in this case, the equation of line is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector minus A vector. Understood? You just follow this here. I have chosen the line here. This is the line L. A is a point and B is another point. Understood? The position vector of A with respect to origin A vector, that is O A vector, that is A vector. Another point, given point B, whose position vector is B vector, so OB vector is B vector. To find the equation, we need a variable points. That's why I have taken here the point B, this is the variable point, and with respect to origin, the position vector is R vector. So B vector is equal to R vector. So no doubt, OP vector and AB vector. OP vector, AB vector and AP vector. Both are line and line. So both are parallel or they have equal direction ratios. What is our AB vector? Now, AB vector, this is OB vector minus OA vector. It is B vector minus A vector. As AB vector is parallel to AB vector. Both lies on the same line. So, AP vector, this is equal to any scalar into AP vector. This is lambda into B vector minus A vector. Understood or not? Clear? Now you consider this triangle OAPO. So, particular in this case, direction of OA and AP both are in same direction. So, what is about this OP vector? No doubt this OP vector is equal to sum of this A vector plus AP vector. Here OP vector, this is equal to OA vector plus AP vector. What is our OA vector? OA vector is A vector plus what is our AP vector? AP vector is lambda into B minus A. Now OP is the position vector of P. So R vector, this is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector minus A vector. So this is very simple. You have to remember this formula only. Now you consider one example. Find the equation of line in vector form which passes through 2 points, which position vectors are A vector is equal to I plus A minus K. And B vector is equal to here 3I minus 2j plus 4k. Very simple, you have to just put it in the formula. So R vector is equal to here I plus j minus k plus lambda into here 3I. This B minus A vector you have to do. So B minus A, that is 3 minus 1, it is 2I. Minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3j. 4, here is plus 1, it is 5. You have to find out B vector minus A vector. Then put it here. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula only. Then after you put it, so this is the required equation of the line in vector form. Now I will discuss about the Cartesian form. You just follow this here. So equation of line passing through 2 points, x1 y1 z1 and another point is bx2 y2 z2 is given by this. You just follow this. Suppose a line here. 2 points are given. A is x1, y1 and z1. Another point B is here. x2, y2 and z2. Okay, now question is, what is about direction ratio of this AB? Now DRS of AB. This is simply x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, then y2 minus y1, then z2 minus z2. Understood? Now you follow the previous case. You just remember that the equation of line passing through a point x1, y1, z1 with direction ratio ABC. What is about that equations? It is simply x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. You just consider if you are taking here point A. So in this case, what is about equation of line? Now, equation of line through point A, x1, y1, z1 with direction ratio, this is x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 and z minus z1 divided by z2 minus z1. Understood? Similarly, if you consider the line passing through point B, x2, y2, z2 with the direction ratio this one, you use this formula. Therefore, or equation of line passing through B point x2, y2, z2 with the direction ratio. With DRS, it is this much. It is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So use that formula. It is x minus x2 divided by x2 minus x1, y minus y2 divided by y2 minus y1, and z minus z2 divided by z2 minus z1. So both the cases, the equations are same equations, either this or this. Of line passing through 2 minus 3 5 and 7 1 minus 1. Particularly in this case, if the question arises, find the vector equation as well as Cartesian equation. So how to do this and what is the actual procedure? Here vector form. If the point is 2 minus 3 5 and 7 1 minus 1, you have to write like this here. A vector. This is 2i minus 3j plus 5. And b vector is 7i plus j minus 8. Then you have to find out b vector minus I vector. What is about this? It is 7 minus 2. It is 5 into I cap. 1 minus this, so it is plus 4 into j cap. Then here it is minus 6 into k cap. Then you have to find out equation of line r vector, this is a vector, plus lambda into b vector minus a vector. Understood? So here instead of you put this, it is 2i minus 3j plus 5k plus here this is lambda b vector minus a vector, it is 5i plus 4j minus 6. So you have to do only this first for the vector equation of line. Understood? But for the Cartesian form, it will be better. Cartesian form, you just put here instead of r xi plus yj plus zk and simplify it. Instead of r, you put here x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap. This is, it is 2i minus 3j plus 5k plus lambda into here I pi plus 4j minus 6k. Got it? What is about it? This one is x minus 2. Take it on left hand side, x minus 2 into I cap plus y plus 3 into j cap plus z minus 5 into k cap. This is 5 lambda into I cap plus 4 lambda into j cap minus 6 lambda into k cap. Understood? By equating the coefficients, here both vectors are equal, therefore what you will get? X minus 2, this is equal to 5 lambda. This implies x minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to lambda. Similarly, y plus 3, this is equal to 4 lambda. This implies y plus 3 divided by 4. Again, z minus 5, this is minus 6 lambda. So, z minus 5 divided by minus 6 is equal to lambda. So, vector equation of line is here. Equation of line is x minus 2 divided by 5. This is equal to y plus 3 divided by 4. And this is equal to z minus 5 divided by minus 6. So, this is the Cartesian equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So, dear students, you have to do like this. This is very simple. You just remember the formulas. And you have to find out what is our A vector, what is our B vector, then B vector minus C vector. But you have to remember this formula. Very, very important. In 3-dimensional geometry, you have to nothing to do. Only you have to remember the formulas. Okay.